SpaceMouse provides a superior way to interact with your digital content in 3D software applications. Using the SpaceMouse makes you feel more connected to your model or environment, enabling you to stay in the zone for longer and achieve more in less time. The SpaceMouse is designed to be operated with your non-dominant hand. It should be placed next to the keyboard, and any text or markings on the device should be facing you and be easily readable. At the heart of every 3D connection SpaceMouse is the 3D controller cap. It's very easy and intuitive to navigate with the controller cap, which has a 6 degrees of freedom sensor built in. Gently move the cap in any direction, and your 3D model will mirror the movement, making you feel like you're holding it in your hand. To get the movement you want, it's important to have the correct hand position. Place the thumb on one side of the controller cap, about halfway down, and your middle finger in the same position on the other side. Your index finger should be placed on top of the cap. Avoid gripping the cap from the top, as this can cause unintentional tilting. Place your palm lightly on the device's palm rest. Now let's see how to operate the 3D controller cap. Slide forward and backwards to zoom out and in. Try not to tilt the cap at the same time, as this will roll the model while zooming. The same applies to sliding the cap left and right. This movement pans the model left and right, but any tilting of the cap will result in the model tilting also. Panning up and down is easy. Simply lift the cap up and down to pan the model up and down. It is possible to restrict movement to one axis at a time, but most users prefer the richer experience of being able to use all axes simultaneously. Once you've got to grips with panning and zooming, you can really start to explore your model. Tilt the cap forwards and backwards to tilt the model forwards and backwards. Tilt left and right to tilt the model left and right. Twisting the cap clockwise and anti-clockwise rotates the model clockwise and anti-clockwise. While at first it may feel strange to navigate using a SpaceMouse, it doesn't take long to get used to, and you'll soon wonder how you ever worked without it.